We'll be building a small, hopefully quick little project. We'll be building something. We'll be building a Discord bot again. It's gonna be called WumpusGPT. So Wumpus, if you ever read these little Discord messages, I think Discord was used to call as a Wumpus. I don't know what's a Wumpus, but it doesn't really matter. And from the name, we'll be using, of course, Discord bot, and the second thing is we'll be using ChatGPT API. So it'll be good to figure that part out as well. ChatGPT has been really popular recently, so I'll be probably a good video to make a video of combining two very popular platform right now, Discord and ChatGPT. Now, of course, Discord for maybe a separate reason right now, but you know what I mean. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Actually, I'm just gonna go to openai.com. Okay, so here's what I did. So I went to Discord developer portal, right, and I created a bot. Okay, I created a bot and add it to one of my servers. Okay, added to one of my servers to test, and I went here. I copy pasted Discord pie. Okay, this is just a boilerplate, and I'm using Replit again. So notice how you need a token. I already saved the token as one of the environment variables in Replit. So I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna import OS, and here I say os.getinv. Call it Discord token. All right. So let's go ahead and press run. Ideally, what should happen is it should load. We'll give it a couple minutes to load up. We'll go to developers really quick here. Let's get some API reference. Alrighty. So using, look like I have another update again. And it looks like I have here shard ID 9. Alright, let me go ahead and just search this up, see what error this is. Reddit. I love when I see a programmer asking for help on Reddit. This is weird. Because the robot, or not the robot, the bot has, it's taking its good time to load. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay. It is recommended and privilege intense. Okay. So privileged intense. Alright, apparently you do that now. Privilege gateway intense. Oh, okay. Yeah. WumpusGPT is never gonna reach this popularity, so it's not like it really matters. Okay. So let's see. Ah, okay. Perfect. And that's that. Let's see. All right. I think I just toggled all of them on. So yep, perfect. Now it worked. We have logged in as WumpusGPT. Whatever. All right. So ideally, it should turn on now. If this thing will ever load, that is. All right, perfect. As you can see, WumpusGPT is on. So in Siri, if I just said hi, it will should reply with hello or whatever. Oh, I think it has to start with hello. Never mind. Or maybe start with $sign hello. I'm not really sure what's that $sign. That's maybe just a manual prefix. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so if you type $sign, it will just respond with hello. All right, perfect. So I guess now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get this set up. Log me in, please. I'm just spam clicking. All right, let's. I have internet connection, so. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. All right, perfect. So. Pull it up. Okay. All right. So it looks like it's not even that hard then. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so our starting code will be hey Wumpus, and that'll be that. And in here, and we'll create a helper function or just call it ChatGPT. I don't want to call it ChatGPT. I'm just going to call it ChatGPT.hi. And in here, wrong one. I'm dragging here. Okay, so I guess we can just copy this. All right, I'm just gonna say import ChatGPT, and we need an API key. Let's see if I can create that. Okay, I'm just gonna create a new key. I will reset it after this, so we're just gonna call it WumpusGPT. Alright, we'll just reset this later. But let's go to settings. Oh, not settings. We can go to secrets in Replit, and here you can just say OpenAI API key. A new secret. There we go. So in here, I guess we'll just create a function. Let's call it def get response. We'll take a variable content, so you know what are we trying to do, and then we can do content right here. And in here, what we'll do is we'll actually just do content equals message.content.split hey Wumpus. So that should give us the rest of the message. Of course, we have to do some error checking to make sure they actually know what they're doing. ChatGPT.getResponse content, say resp. Alright, stop. Make sure our Wumpus offline. Okay, Wumpus still is online. Why don't we wait for Wumpus to go offline really quick first. Does it still respond? Doesn't really respond anymore, so I guess we're in the clear. Let's run it. Alright, so we're installing OpenAI right now. If you watch my video, I generally don't like these SDK. I will do requests on my own, but now I thought about it, honestly, using these SDKs probably is better because, you know, there's maintenance for them and they'll make sure it's not breaking. So, yeah, that's why I think I'm going to try to use it if they exist. Okay, so let's do this. Hey, Wumpus. What's 1 plus 1? Alright, let's see if it's gonna give us a response. Looks like it's not gonna. Alright. Ooh, oh, sorry. Yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna do bracket 1. That's actually gonna give us the contents. Let's run it. Because .split that will give us a list. Hey Wampus, that will just become an empty string, and we only want this thing comes after it. Hey Wampus, what's 1 plus 1? Alright, let's see what happens now. As an... Okay, we got the thing. Oh, did I not return anything? I probably did not return anything. Probably forgot to return it. Okay. Yeah, okay, print it out. I don't want you to return... bracket content. Alright. Hey, Wumpus. How do you do synthetic division? Let's see if they can respond. So I think right, there's no errors. I spelled everything right. So let's print out. Do a couple print lines. Let's print that out. Honestly, that's all we need to do. Okay, hey Wumpus. Oh, okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay. 10:53. Oh, I didn't pay attention. Oh. Yeah, that looks right. I don't really know what's the actual answer. Hey, Wumpus. Describe quantum physics to a first grader. Let's see. Alright. So just gonna ask some dummy questions. Yep, quantum physics type of that. How about on a really tiny thing like atom? Like a puzzle. Okay. Alright, good. Though I highly doubt, first grader would really understand what's quantum physics. Hey, Wumpus. So for real ChatGPT, they keep track of your memory. I'm gonna see. I don't think this one will keep track, but I'm gonna ask. What's my previous question? Okay. So yeah, it doesn't really know. Okay. All right. So let's see. Hey, Wumpus. Okay, we're gonna try to see if we can do different style formatting. Can you create a hello world Flask app in Python, just for some reference? Let's see. So for ChatGPT, it'll give you code prompt. I want to see what type of message it will return here. Oh, perfect. So yeah, it will automatically be encoded like that. So yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, sweet. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff we can build using this project, but WumpusGPT for now does its task. Just fetch the response from from what's the model? GPT's 3.5 Turbo, right? Just fetch it from there. Um, for now, I think what we can do is we can maybe add a little bit more stuff to it. such as adding some image, adding like image response generate image. I think OpenAI also have a platform for that. But yeah, we can do a lot of stuff to it. But this is really just a minimal Flask app. I guess to really just go over the boilerplate really quick, we're using the Discord library. We're using something called Intense, which does something I don't really know, but but yeah, it at least looks at just two configuration lines. Client that just set up a Discord client for us to interact with. In this case, client is the bot. So there are two events decorator here. Looks like the function is synchronous, which means I keep getting messed up with synchronous, asynchronous. Asynchronous, I think it's happen not at the same time, but yeah. And we have this online, and then when it's ready, we'll always just print that message to console, and yeah, that's that. Okay, so to host a Flask app, we can host on Heroku, or we can just keep it running. For now, I think Repl has the option to keep it running. We'll do that. We'll do that. But yeah, but we will figure out. I will show you guys where to deploy it. There might be a couple free platform. Heroku removed its free tier, which is really annoying because Heroku used to be like the best deployment tool for any sort of developer. But now since Heroku is no longer in free tier, we're gonna see if we can figure out something better. But yeah, this is it for this video. If any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and grow your day. DevsMeet out.